Ever tried using VLOOKUP in Excel but got stuck because it only works with one condition? What if you need to match both name and department? Don't worry, today I'll show you the exact trick to use VLOOKUP with multiple criteria, step by step. Okay, let's get started. Here's our dataset. Notice we have 2 employees with the same name John, but in different departments. Now, what happens if I try a simple VLOOKUP formula like this? Now, press Enter. Excel just grabs the first John it finds and returns his bonus. That means if I want John from finance, I can't be sure I'll get the right one, because VLOOKUP is only checking the name column as a single condition. To fix this, now let's create a helper column that combines the employee's name and department into one unique value. In cell C2, type this formula. Here's what's happening. A2 is the employee's name. B2 is the department. The ampersand symbol joins the 2 values together, and the part in quotes adds a hyphen between them, so the result looks neat, like John-HR instead of just John HR. Once I press Enter, Excel returns John-HR. Now when I copy this formula down, every row becomes a unique combination. That way, we avoid confusion between employees who share the same name. Now, in a separate area, let's say I type name in cell G2 and department in H2. Instead of typing values manually, let's make it smarter with dropdowns. In cell G2, I'll create a drop-down list of names from column A. And in H2, a drop-down of departments from column B. This way, we can quickly select any name and department without worrying about typos or mismatched entries. It keeps the lookup clean, fast, and error-free. In cell I2, let's recreate the same unique key we built earlier. Type this formula. Now press Enter. This combines the selected name and department into one clean string, like John-Finance. And the best part? It lines up perfectly with our helper column, so Excel knows exactly where to look. Let's write our VLOOKUP formula step by step. Start with equals VLOOKUP. When the VLOOKUP function appears, press Tab. This tells Excel we want to look up a value. Next, select the cell I2, that's our lookup value, the combined key we created. Then, select the range C2 to E9. This is the table range. Notice it starts with the helper column in column C and goes across to column E where the bonus is. After that, type 3. This means, from the range C to E, Excel should return the value from the 3rd column. Finally, false. This tells Excel we want an exact match, not an approximate one. Close the bracket, and the full formula look like this. Hit Enter, and there it is. John from Finance gets a $300 bonus. Try changing the dropdowns for other names and departments, and watch Excel instantly return the correct bonus every time. Instead of using VLOOKUP, you can also use index match or the new XLOOKUP in Excel 365, which work more flexibly with multiple criteria. And that's how you use VLOOKUP with multiple criteria in Excel. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.